again to Gourmet School of Culinary Arts by Chef Henry. So today we are going to prepare white stock. So white stock is the basic, it is a kitchen base. So you can't cook any sauce or soup without using stock. So today we are going to prepare white stock, and by next time we will prepare the variations or how we can use a white stock when we will be cooking like different sauces, dishes, stew, and so whatever. So here we have buns, beef buns. We have bouquet garni. Bouquet garni is composed by leek, bay leaves, and celery. It's tied together. So we also have red onions. We have carrot. Let's get started. Before we start, we are going to blanch the buns. Because those buns we can't wash them, but we blanch. Blanching, it means to put in hot water just for seconds so that it will turn white. This is the best way to wash buns or to wash meats. Actually, it's not good to wash meats in the cold water and brushing. So here we have a boiling water. Now we are going to put buns. So you see now buns, they are red. So but in a minute it will turn white. The reason why we are calling these actions branching. So we turn the buns a little bit. So branching removes some blood excess between the meats. Now it turns white. This is the reason why we call it branching. We remove buns from boiling water. It only takes like 1 minute. Yeah, and then after we put in cold water. In cold water, it's like refreshing. We refresh in the cold water. The reason why we refresh is like rinsing. We are rinsing buns. We are rinsing buns. See? Then after we drain, we are going to remove the buns from the cold water. Actually, it's not good to touch the food with your fingers, with your hand. So you have to wear the gloves or use tongs. Alright, here we have a well branched and refreshed buns. So now we are going to put the buns into the water, the cold water, and then we boil just to make our white stock. So we are going to put the buns into the pan, and also carrot and onions. This is how we prepare white stock. So, and then after we're going to put some water. So this is 2.5 liters. The buns is 500 grams. So now we boil. So after boiling, we will add bouquet garni like after 30 minutes when the stock will be ready, because it's going to be ready within 1 hour. So we don't cover the stock, so we just keep an eye on it, and once it's boiled, So we will skim. We will remove the scum.